Tesla has been one of the most popular companies on the US stock market. Here's a video showing how, in just a few quick steps, you can buy Tesla shares. This is what the vested dashboard would look like if your account has been approved and funded. This search bar on the top will help you navigate to the stock you want to explore or purchase. Now simply type the company name or ticker. Here on the left, you will see the company's performance overview, returns, fundamental analysis, and everything required to make your investment decisions easy. To place a trade, all you have to do is click on the buy button here on the right. Buying power indicates the amount of cash you have in your vested account. One of the best parts about US investing is that it offers fractional investing, which means you can buy a fraction of a share with as little as $1. This will automatically translate to the number of shares up to the 8th decimal. This is calculated on the market price of the company mentioned here. Click on Review Order and then click on Place Buy Order. If the US markets are closed when you place the purchase, your order gets queued under pending orders and will be executed as soon as the US markets open. And done.
Thanks for watching. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates.